Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and removing the batteries. This prevents shorts and lets you test cells separately. Once done, you inspect the battery compartment for corrosion or crust. Clean that before proceeding because residue kills contact. Now, remove external screws and pry seams gently to avoid stripping. Make sure to keep parts organized. You do this first so you can isolate the problem: power source, switch, LED module, or wiring. Take photos as you disassemble to aid reassembly. You now focus on diagnosing the electrical path to find the fault. First, test batteries with a multimeter for open circuit voltage and then under a small load. Weak cells can show okay voltage but fail under load. Next, check the switch for continuity, press it while probing, and wiggle wires to reveal intermittent breaks. Then inspect the LED and driver board for burn marks or cracked solder. Reflow suspect joints and replace damaged diodes or the driver module to restore reliable light output. You finish by replacing any failed parts and restoring solid connections. Swap in fresh batteries or a new switch, and solder or replace damaged wiring or the LED module. Once parts are fitted, clean all contacts with contact cleaner, and where applicable, apply a thin film of dielectric grease to slow future corrosion. Reassemble in reverse order, tighten fasteners to avoid stripping, and then test the torch under load for its expected run time. If the lamp flickers, check for a loose solder.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.